as you can see, right now here in the part of New Jersey that I live in, it is not exactly the nicest weather possible. We're dealing with a severe thunderstorm, pouring down rain, but I kind of enjoy it. It's nice and soothing out here. Filming on my porch. Not too, kind of cool. I like seeing the lightning and that, which I actually enjoy watching. So during nights, if we ever have thunderstorms, I might do more of this. Because once in a while, I like to showcase some current happenings. And oh, this is definitely one heck of a storm, and I actually enjoy it. Oh, it's been hot all day, and it just feels nice and cool feeling the rain hit you. It's kind of cool even if it's a downpour. Anyway, I'll talk to y'all later.